Take a look at this 1999 GMC New Sierra 1500. Carfax has certified this new Sierra 1500 as having one owner. This new Sierra 1500 has just under 92,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 16 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 21 on the highway. This new Sierra 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the front high-back reclining bucket seats, solar-array deep-tinted glass, power door locks, REC, R6R Commercial Group, R6S Convenience Group, or one straight-in marketing op package, with a side body, standard, federal emissions, locking differential, 3.73 axle ratio, cruise control, REC, R6R Commercial Group, R6S Convenience Group, or one straight-in marketing op package, 5.3L, 325, speed, Vortec, engine, 4-speed electronically controlled automatic transmission with OD, 4, chrome-plated steel wheels, 6200 GVWR, 3500 front/3750 rear, springs, 3500 front/3750 rear, axles, 3600 front/3750 rear, standard, 5, P235/75R16 all-season SBR Owl tires, smooth ride suspension package and the solid paint, standard. Call 800-574-0279 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.